1997 Ford F-250 heavy duty XLT crew cab. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile truck, 67,180 is all on it at the moment. 7.5 liter underneath the hood. It's paired up in automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, heater blows hot. Take a look at the chrome on the front bumper and grille. Nice shape, bug deflector already installed. You're gonna see this light right there, and we get in the interior, you're gonna see some switches. One of the reasons why the miles is low on this truck is it was actually a service vehicle. We believe it was part of a fire department once upon a time. Check out the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see undersides, interior, engine bay, the bed of it, and all of those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Polished wheels, Firestone radials. You can see the front locking lugs. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see those panels nice and straight. It's not full of nicks, dings, scratches, nothing major anyway. Not a ton of corrosion either, you know, down on those lower rockers. We've got the chrome plating put on there, and of course the steps you can see. Front and rear doors, fiberglass topper. Does have the visor also, Lund visor. Cloth interior with a, what, 40-20-40, or they consider the split front bench seat. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at it, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood, and as usual, Jason will take this one for a drive too, tell you how it goes down the road. Chrome in the rear bumper. Couple cabinets built into this topper. I should say built into the bed, not the topper. And those could be removed if you wanted them removed. Rubber bed mat. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Ford trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you might see come through here. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, vehicles are available to purchase. Here's where I did notice some corrosion, little dinger right there, that lower rock right behind the front wheel well. But other than that, like I said, there's no major nicks, dings, or scratches. Let's check out these rear seats. Nice shape back there. A lot of room. What's nice about the crew cab, this one does have dual tanks. Of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, mirrors, tilt column, cruise control. Checked out very good in service too. It has new brake shoes in the rear, 50% in the front, complete exhaust. Normal drivetrain seat is all they mentioned when it went through service department. All right, there you get a better idea of the seating surfaces up front. We are going to start this up, like I said, let you hear it run. There's some of the switches I was talking about. Obviously, Citizens Band radio, AM FM cassette player. Top of the dash looking good. You go ahead and grab the keys. We'll get this thing started. All right, grab the keys. Pop the hood while I was at it. There's your exact mile, 67,180. Gauges are working, tack works. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp to be up. Good, top of the dash looking good. Radio working. Manual transfer case. Headliner looks good. Let's take a peek. 7.5 liter. V8 power steering, power brakes, AC. AC's cold. 1997 Ford F-250 heavy-duty crew cab 4x4. Clean Carfax. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1997 Ford F-250 pickup truck. A crew cab truck. Topper included in red. Nice low mile unit. Turn signal's working. We are equipped with what looks like a CB down here, but I believe it is for horns and a PA system based on the labeling on the front of it. This truck rides like a low-mile truck. It's very nice condition inside and out. Cruise control's working, AC's working. Our gauges are reading nicely. The temperature gauge a quarter of the way up, the oil pressure 2/3. The battery is charging over halfway on the gauge. Our fuel gauge is reading 1/8 of a tank. That's probably correct. Speedometer and tachometer also working. Appears to be the factory stereo with the set player. And FM is working. I have not tested the cassette. Cloth seats front and back. A very useful truck. And you're not going to see too many with this few miles on them. Braking is good. We've got power windows around. Handles nicely in the corners. That F-250 suspension, keeping it flat in the corners. Not very many of these are going to find that in this nice a condition, especially a crew cab. Take a look at all the pictures of this Ford at uniqueclassiccars.com.